Hello everyone, this is Nick. This video tutorial will show you how to patch AI Girl, the great game brought to you by Illusion. In the video description you will find a link to one of their main pages. Click on the giant extra C patch button and download the files. And yes, the dancing chica in the background is still here, for a weeb like me. You will download an exe file, just click on it and it will make a folder in the destination you set it for. I just put it in the desktop. Now click on that folder and transfer the contents into your original AI Girl folder. If you can't find the game folder, the way I did it is just right click on the game on my Steam library, go into properties and selecting browse local files. I have this shit in Russian, but it should be the same buttons. And you're done, voila, just run the game. Easiest way to check if the patches apply is to go to options and see if there's an option for scenes. If that doesn't work, well damn, check the readme file and hopefully they have some troubleshooting. I haven't experienced any issues yet, but knowing my luck I will probably soon. Leave a thumbs up if you think censorship should go fuck itself. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.